How to log out of Telegram on a Windows laptop or PC. So if you want to log out of Telegram on a Windows laptop or PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, you've been logged in on your Telegram, right? Now, if you want to log out of your Telegram, then what you need to do is you simply go with the top left, which has that three horizontal lines. And from here, you will have your settings option. Under settings, you may have a log out option right here. But if you don't have a log out option, you can go with my account. Under my account, you'll have an option of add account, or just go back and here on your profile, go with the three dots, which is on the top right. And here you will have your log out. Just click on log out and then again click on log out. That's it. That's how you can log out of your Telegram on a Windows laptop or PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.